In this video, I'll show you how to import the TJ High School course template into one of your existing Canvas courses. Once you log into Canvas, you're going to click on the courses link along the left-hand side and go ahead and add a new course in the plus course. Go ahead and give it a name. And click Create Course. Next, if you scroll down along the left-hand side, you'll find the link to Commons. Click on Commons, and you'll see a search window that appears at the top. If you type in TJHS template, you'll see that there is one for grades 9 through 12. Melissa Sanko shared it. Go ahead and click on that. And then along the right-hand side, you're going to import or download. It's going to ask you which course you want to download it into, and I'm going to select the course shell that I just named, Test TJHS Course, and click on Import. It does take a few minutes for the import to appear in your course, so you'll see this screen with the window you've successfully started the import. I would give it a few minutes, maybe 5 to 10, and then you can go back to your courses, click on your course name, and you'll be able to see the customizable template should be uploaded there.